It hit the south coast the hardest, and recovery will take days.
Yeah, some neighborhoods barely saw any of the plow trucks, stranding people in their homes. WBZ's Louisa Moller is live for us in Fall River tonight. An area was just pummeled with snow. Louisa.
David Courtney, I'm standing in this snowbank for a reference point, and these snow mountains, they are everywhere as far as the eye can see. Many of the side streets are impassable. This one, as you can see, is plowed down the center, but there's still a travel ban in effect in the city.
It was one mess after another in Fall River Tuesday.
Wheels unstuck first, and then we'll focus on that.
Our camera rolling as a Fall River EMT helped shovel out the car, blocking the path of his ambulance.
Go, 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 go.
With a spin of tires against snow and a group shove, it finally got the car going. We saw scenes of frustration and bewilderment everywhere.
All morning long, everybody fighting, people going back and forth, ambulance trying to get by.
Fire trucks navigating snow-logged streets. Whole neighborhoods socked in by 41 inches of snow, and car after car buried. Shovelers doing what they could to chip away at the daunting mounds.
We're all down here to talk about the blizzard of 2026.
The snow crisis drawing help from the Lieutenant Governor and State Highway Administrator. Fall River has 86 plows compared to the roughly 200 it used to have, the result of a city policy requiring plow drivers to add the city's name to their liability insurance, making it more expensive.
And a lot of people didn't want to do that, so they ended up not putting their name back on the list. So now we've eliminated that.
But Mayor Paul Coogan says the state and National Guard will pitch in with heavy equipment.
Like 5 big trucks, 2 front-end loaders.
What are we supposed to do with all this snow?
And that's the question that hangs over everyone. Fall River City Council Public Safety Chair Chris Peckham told us, first the city needs patience, then the cleanup will slowly happen over time.
I wasn't around in 1978, but from what I hear, it took about a week to get the streets cleared. I'm hoping it doesn't take that long.
You heard that resident say, what are we going to do with all this snow? She was actually shoveling here a short time ago. Well, we do know the city of Fall River has a snow farm. City Councilor Peckham said it was actually full after the last storm, but the mayor told me that they're going to try and move some things around and hopefully fit all of this there. Live in Fall River, Louisa Moller, WBZ News.
Louisa, we certainly hope so. Thank you.